Part 2 starts now. Okay, so we're gonna try to move these seats out, and everything I'm reading, it says it takes 4 bolts. There's one right there, one right here, which I'm hoping I have something that, because I didn't know there were those weird nuts. But we're gonna try to pull those out and pull these seats out, pull the center console out, and then try to get the rear cab seats out, which I heard a trick, so we're gonna try to see if we can get it out. Wish me luck. It sucks. Yeah. Okay, we're back. I took out the other seat. It's not that heavy. It's probably like 40 pounds or something like that, so it's not too bad. The rear ones, the bolts are like I think 11 or 12. I can't remember. I think, yeah, something like that, millimeter. The front one and two are 15s, so it's like that. And then also a vacuum to take out the pretzels and stuff and gross shit. So we'll do that, and we'll get the driver's seat out, center console out, and then I'll start working on the cab seat, and then also remove my car seat. It's gonna be the hardest part of the whole thing, probably. Okay, so this is not as hard as I thought it was gonna be. I was like, this is a daunting task. This is gonna suck. I don't want to do it, but I have to. Well, I don't have to, but I want to, and I don't want to at the same time. It's not bad at all. Literally, I was like, yeah, really doubting myself. I'm like, should I do it? Should I not do it? But definitely, I've probably been doing this for 40 minutes, like literally, and not knowing anything. I just knew how to take those bolts out. That's it. Like, I didn't know any of this. So all you gotta do is take out 2 15mm bolts, 11mm bolts right here, 15, 11, and then take this off your cup holder, and then there's that the connector to the looks. I'm pretty sure it's to the Bose amp and this dumb thing that I don't use at all. And yeah, that's it. All I gotta do is disconnect that. And then there's 2mm bolts right there. And that's it. Those little 10mm bolts, and that's it. And you can just pick it up and take it out. Super easy. Like, I was like, wow. Never mind. Yeah, so I'm gonna start removing the carpet, and we will get her all laid out. Might even hook up my amp cord, maybe. Also, kind of quick little thing that I just looked at. Here's a sub. So that's where it's at. Yeah, this goes from here to there, and to there. Yeah, so I mean, that's what it looks like. There's little screws, Phillips screws that hold it. So I mean, yeah, maybe it's like ported, maybe. But yeah, that's where it is. If you want to see where it's at, this is a cool video because I haven't found a video that's like this. Everyone's always doing a 14 and up, or an 01 back and whatnot, but this is super easy. So I'm glad I'm posting this because I have not found a video like this. But yeah, there's a sub. There's your air. Got to be cleaned out for sure. Okay, so this is dumb, but this thing keeps flopping everywhere. But I got everything done on the back, and I'm starting to double it right here, especially on the passenger side where the exhaust is. But it's pretty much done. Yeah, I just got to start working to the front, put the seat back, and then I'll pull the carpet up from the front. But gonna double it to like maybe right there, and then start working to the front. So far so good. Just taking a little long time. Okay, so I got everything on this side done, and getting some more. I gotta get some more right there, but other than that, I mean, it's turning out good. The back's all the way done. It's a mess, but we'll get that handled. But also too, this, it's kind of hard to paint, but I think you just gotta pull out more, but I can get most of it from here. Yeah, I mean, there's a bolt right here on their side. You can see right there sticking out is a 10 millimeter. Just holds up the dash, I think. That's really it. Everything else is, I gotta do that side now. So, but also, yeah, I'm running that through my cable. Okay, we are back. It's okay, so it's not an end all be all, like, oh my gosh, this is crazy. It's like 100% knocked out all the road noise, but it has dropped the road noise quite a bit. It's actually, like, it's hard to explain, and I can't really tell you how it is, but it almost feels like it's sturdy. Like, I don't know, you just have to hear it for yourself. I mean, it helped a lot. Like, it seems it's quieter, and it's helped it quite a bit. I would say it was at like 80%. Now it's, I would say, like 30%. 30% now road noise, 70% is blocked out. So it's not like crazy, like, holy crap, it's a brand new truck, you can't hear anything. It's just like a recording studio or something. But it helped a lot. I actually like it, and it was worth it. It just took me forever. So sorry, I'm kind of moving around, but I really can't show much. I'm just driving. But I would definitely recommend it. It wasn't that bad. Taking all this stuff out, I got everything except for the passenger seat. So I don't have a passenger seat in my truck right now. But like I said, do it definitely. I would say if you're going to do a truck near and do like 100% like perfect, I would say get 2 boxes and maybe like a smaller box, because I think they sell like a $30 box or something like that. Get that. So 2 boxes, that, the roller, and a knife to cut it, and some trim removal stuff to do everything. But yeah, I'll like, share, comment. I'll put down the stuff below. Again, definitely recommend it. It's changed it quite a bit. But yeah, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.